Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travels Carry-On Edition. Today we are in Santorini, Greece, staying at the Keti Hotel. This is an absolutely stunning hotel situated on the Caldera, which includes breakfast. There are a lot of stairs, so you just gotta be careful. This is where breakfast is served. So you can just see the view while you're having your coffee in the morning. Reception is here. Nice little lobby.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Everything good?
Everything is great, thank you. And the restaurant. This is another common area. And it looks like they're just setting up the shade in the pool area. So we'll swing back here in a moment. But it's a small hotel. I think there's only maybe 10 rooms. So there were 3 up there, another 3 down here. Each have their own private terrace, so you have your own personal space for some coffee or tea, some wine in the evening, all with stunning views. Make your way over here. There are another 4 rooms. Here we have a room with a panoramic window. This looks like a suite with its own private lounge area. And then down the steps over here is where you'll find entrance to the famous Boulder suite, and another suite there. And those are the 2 with their own private pools. So let's take another swing back up to the pool area. That's for and see if they're finished setting that up. Yeah. There we go. Just be careful coming across here. There is no rail, but it's still safe. We make our way here. Some loungers and a beautiful pool. I think it's about 3.5 or 4 feet deep, so not very deep at all, but nice for wading. And you will have a beautiful view again of the sunset. Cool. Thank you for watching this tour of the Keti Hotel in Santorini, Greece. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.